Okay. All right. First of all, as I highlighted in our WhatsApp group, we are 2 hours gone already last week, and then next week's also is public holiday, so 6 hours. Then I checked my schedule. I think we have to replace few classes, because I need to attend a few meetings. Um, but it's okay. We will discuss later. I'm Syarul Effendi Januddin, so I'm going to be your lecturer for this paper, Advanced MA, and found out that some of you, text me, okay, so regarding your registration for Advanced MA, hopefully you can settle it, and then you can plan for your, uh, for the total, for the whole semester, okay. Please make sure that you have passed and you have uh, taken MA2, MA2, then you may proceed to take this advanced MA. Then maybe you are the second last batch who are going to take this paper. New intake October 2023, we started use Hala 74 for the curriculum. Then no more advanced MA. For MA, only have 2 papers, but we increase the credit hours from 3 hours to 4 hours. Okay. All right, so let's begin by looking at what would be our topic for discussion throughout the semesters by looking at the Proforma. You can download the Proforma. Okay. All right, this is the Proforma. Okay. The synopsis for this course actually is the course discuss evolutions of management accounting and different techniques of strategic management accounting. So basically, the idea of advanced MA is not about doing calculation. I think the calculation part almost complete in MA1, in MA2. So in advanced MA, actually, how to use the calculations to solve or to make decision. That is the purpose of advanced MA. So meaning that your knowledge on the content, in terms of calculation, must be in line with the theoretical part, plus you must be able to so-called understand what happened in the market. Then you can propose solutions to the problem by using management accounting tools. And if you look at these techniques, many techniques will be discussed, and it involves strategic management accounting. Strategic management accounting means that how we use accounting tools to make sure our company can survive, and how we use management accounting tools as well as management accounting data in order to make sure our company can survive in the market. That is strategic management accounting. The topic covered include performance evaluation, management control, motivational, behavioral, and ethical issues, as well as recent development in management accounting. Recent development of management accounting, actually, we will try to look at what are the latest tools. Okay, is there any development, any changes made towards the existing tool? Okay, or maybe new tool has been introduced in the market, especially after the after COVID-19. Okay, we have seen a lot of so-called innovation has been made. For example, before this, nobody thought that we're going to have our online class, but now we have our online class. Okay. Okay. So only one lecturer teach this subject, Syarul Effendi, and then we have two classes, Group A and Group B, and our class actually is 3 hours straight. So 3 hours straight on Thursday, basically be prepared lah because it's going to be discussion, presentation, okay, and lecture lah, and lecture. Okay. Okay. There are 4 CLO to be achieved, and each CLO has been designed in terms of how do we assess it. How do we assess it? For example, for CLO1, you're gonna have your midterm. No, your quiz, your test one. So if we look at the CLO1 letter, so this is the CLO1. So basically, CLO1 covered topic 1. So this is the way how you arrange your study, so that before entering the final examination hall, you may have high carry mark lah, high carry mark. And then for the CLO2, okay, there is one assignment, group assignment, and also a midterm. This one is a midterm, and then CLO3, final exam, as well as one quiz, and then CLO4, still assignment group, second assignment group lah. So meaning that we don't have individual assignment, because I believe that the best way to assess at the individual level is by looking at your answer for your midterm and your quiz, and to look at your collaborations. So we're gonna have our two group assignment, and all the details actually I have uploaded in my group. Okay. Many topics to be discussed. Be prepared. Many topics to be discussed. Okay, you can read through this one. And then please take a look at the column of CLO2. If CLO2, you may have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 topic, okay, which will be tested into in your midterm, in your midterm, as well as will be tested through your group assignment. Okay, and CLO3, which will be your final exam. If you look at this Proforma, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. CLO3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 topic. Okay, but for your final exam, because we have two type of assessment for CLO3, we have final exam and also we have quiz. So basically, target costing, life cycle costing, throughput accounting will be tested in your quiz. And managing supplier, customer, total quality management, environmental cost management, challenges capital expenditure, 4 topic will be tested in your final exam. Okay. Then the last topic is on the incentive and compensation system, which will focus more on ethical behavior. Is a CLO4, will be assessed through your group assignment 2. Through your group assignment 2. Okay. First test, carry 4%, which is the topic 1. Okay. Your midterm will carry 15%. Okay. Your quiz for CLO3, 3 topics just mentioned just now, carry 4%. First group assignment 20%. Second group assignment is a 7%. Is a 7%. Okay, your final exam is a 50%. In terms of reference, we don't have a specific reference. Okay, you may refer to the data or Hongren textbook. Okay, or maybe Bimani or Prabirdas or any relevant article lah, any relevant article. And alright, that is about your Proforma. Any question? Any question? So far, okay, Okay. Then we move into our group assignment 1. Okay. You have to form a group, maximum 5, minimum 4, 4 to 5, 4 to 5. Okay. So your first group assignment actually is a written assignment. Okay, it's a written assignment. Okay. Maximum 5. Okay, each group is required to write a report. So it is a written assignment lah. And you have to do presentation in class. Okay. Based on the real practice of performance management system, measurement and control. Okay. Okay. Each group is required to select a real non-profit organization or a public sector. Right? Non-profit organization or a public sector organization. And you need to analyze its current practice of management accounting. Okay. So the method to collect the data is depend on you. You may observe them. Maybe you can interview them, or maybe you can visit their places. Okay, to review the document lah. Okay. The report should be consist topic as listed below. Okay. We have you have to describe the calculate and interpret financial performance indicator. Okay, so meaning that you have to choose the organization which has the annual report, audited annual report. Okay, so start with describe, calculate and interpret financial performance indicator, which is FPI lah. And then second, describe, calculate and interpret an FPI, non-financial performance indicator. Okay, analyze past performance and suggest way for improving. Develop balance scorecard. And number 3, discuss the difficulties of target setting in qualitative areas. Okay, right. So you have to submit a written assignment as well as printed lah. Yes, one group, one copy, and also the group leader need to submit through my guru lah. And then requirement is justified. Font areas 11 size. Okay, spacing 1.5. Okay, so don't prepare too thick. Okay, maximum is 5,000 words, 4,008 to 5,000 words. Exclude the appendix. Exclude appendix. If you have any what we call it appendix, you just put it at the back of the assignment. But what you write, maximum 5,000 words. Okay. Then need to be submitted to me week 12, 19 June 2024. It's on Wednesday. Your class is on 20th. Okay. So 19 June 2024. Okay. So this is the rubric. This is the rubric. Number 1, as I said, describe, calculate, and interpret financial performance indicator for profitability, liquidity, and risk. 3 things, profitability, liquidity, and risk. So meaning that calculate. They say the latest financial statement that you may have actually, for example, is for 2023. So prepare the PFI for profitability, liquidity, and risk for 2023. Then suggest method to improve this measure. suggestion to that particular company or organization how to improve the PFI. Sorry, the FPI. Number two, different focus. Focus on non-financial performance indicator. I has not listed what I want because it depends on the report from the company that you may get. Okay, so it's open. Yeah, I did not dictate. Okay, but for the first one, yes, I want to know about the profitability, liquidity, and risk. But for the NFPI, non-financial performance indicator, you have to think what is should be written based on the report that you may have. Okay. Number three, analyze past performance and suggest way for improving financial and non-financial performance. Okay, let's say currently you are focusing for the last 2023. So requirement number three, basically, okay, you may have the figure, you have to compare. Yeah, 2022 and 2023. Okay, then give suggestions on how to improve the particular indicator. Okay. Number four, develop a balanced scorecard for that particular company. Okay. Number five, discuss the difficulties of target setting in qualitative area for the respective organization. It should not be a general discussion. Should be from the organization that you are investigating in. Okay. Last semester, when it comes to the requirement number five, the discussion is very general. So let's mark. What I want, you need to understand the nature of the organization, then you need to discuss. Therefore, you have to conduct an interview. You must have the contact person from that particular organization. So it's carry 100%. And then this is about the content itself. Okay, then I will look at the way you prepare your assignment. And I will look at the integration of knowledge, the topic focus, the depth of discussion, the cohesiveness, and the spelling and grammar. And this one total actually is about 100, so will be converted into 20%. Will be converted into 20%. That is about our first group assignment. Okay. May I proceed for the second group assignment? Okay. Alright, thank you, Nurun. Okay. Okay. Second group assignment actually is to produce a video. To produce a video. Okay. Okay. 7% video, which is focused on the CLO4, because CLO4 discuss about incentive and compensation system, how to design reward to our employees, for example. So it's involved ethical lah. Okay. Explain behavioral and ethical consideration and issues in managerial strategic decision. Okay. Each student who work in the same group, okay, need to do research and communicate the finding in 6 to 7 minutes video. Don't be less than 6. Don't be more than 7 minutes. 6 to 7 just enough. Okay. Alright. The project is evaluated on the basis of its accuracy, academic rigor, clarity, and ability to engage the viewers. So make sure don't produce the video short sendiri. Okay. Right, once you finish your video, you can ask your friends from other class or maybe your housemate or roommate. Okay. When they watch the video, what is their feeling? Dia kata Allah tak best langsung. So make sure it should be engaging video. Okay, right? And deliverable, two things. The first one is the storyboard. Storyboard basically is the initial idea of what will be in your video. So You don't need to draw lah. If you want to draw, it's okay. You need to show to me, okay, doctor. So we start the video like this, and then follow this, follow. And that is the storyboard. And that is the storyboard. And then, of course, you have to submit the video, the final video. The final video. So again, I mentioned 6 to 7. Shouldn't be less, shouldn't be exceed 7 minutes. I have 100 students. So if I have 5 groups so I'm going to watch 20 video. Can you imagine? If it's not engaging, nanti menguap. Okay, right? Okay, requirement element for the video. Okay, length 6 to 7, style free and easy. You can act, you can use AI, you can use emoji, you can use PowerPoint, but the critical part is whether the viewers like or not. I mean me lah. Okay, the content itself. Okay, so title of the video should be written clearly at the beginning of the video, plus your group's members, as well as the photo of your group member. The photo of your group member. Okay, and then it should be original content. It should be your own. Okay, you may refer to any video in the YouTube, but you need to produce your own idea. I mean, it's so easy for me to detect whether it is your video or you just copy and paste from others. Okay, and then number 5, as I said, is about ethical consideration. Basically, you need to conduct an interview. You need to conduct an interview. Okay, online interview also is okay, because you can record and then you can cut the video. Okay, if you want to highlight the point, then cut the video and put it in your video. Okay, no problem. Okay, this time I will not allow the evidence of the interview through WhatsApp. No. Okay, few last semester, okay, they just got screenshot the WhatsApp and then put it in the video. No, this time, because now you can conduct your online interview. Okay, prove to me that you have conducted the interview face to face or online, and then if you do it online, you can record. If you do it face to face, then also you can record. Just cut maybe 1 minute as a proof that you have conducted the interview. Okay, you can give your respondent question earlier for them to be prepared. For them to be prepared. Okay, right, reference. Okay, at the end of the video, reference and credit, you have to acknowledge lah. You have to acknowledge who helps you. For example, maybe the company's name. Okay, and the file format, make sure whatever format lah, as long as it is a video, then you have to upload to YouTube, the group leader, and then you have to give me the link in my group, so I will watch the video through YouTube, then I can give you like lah. Before I check, make sure minimum your group's member has liked the video. Normally bila saya check, I'm the first one, meaning that your group member also did not watch the video, or maybe they watch but they did not press the like button. Click on the like button, please. Okay, planning, production, editing, I think okay. The submission date is a week after your first group assignment submission, is on the 26th June, also on Wednesday, 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Okay, and this is the rubric. Through the video, I will look at the group cooperations, the storyboard, because you have to give me the video plus storyboard. Okay, documentation, subject content. If you look at the what we call it, the highest mark actually goes to subject content. Subject content, introduction, mechanics, and production. And the total mark actually is 100. Is 100. Okay. Don't be. I mean, if you look at this here, for example, for the group cooperation needs improvement is 5 points. Satisfactory is 10 points. Excellent is 15 points. It doesn't mean if, let's say, your mark is on the satisfactory column, your point is 10. Because I have the privilege whether I want to give 10, okay, up to 14. Because the maximum mark is 15. So we are not going to have so-called similar marks. Maybe it is quite close, but it depend on your video. I have the flexibility to give mark. Okay, that is assignment 1, assignment 2 for the group assignment done. Very clear about your CLO. I think it's very clear about your group formation 4 to 5. Okay, hopefully by next meeting, it's a face-to-face meeting. Next week is a holiday, and then on the 19th, if I'm not mistaken, Thursday, it's going to be a face-to-face meeting. So hopefully on that day, so we can get we don't have any problem in terms of forming your group lah. So settle semua. Okay, clear. Kalau clear, just give me an emoji lah. Type apa, tekan tu button tu. Okay. Nurul Aini. Okay. It's clear. Okay. Alright. So, okay, today class, okay, because I have meeting at 4 to 5. So we will stop for a while from 4 to 5 p.m. So we will start our class, topic 1 is by 3:35, and then we will stop at 3:55. Okay. During the 1 hour, actually, I will give you a time for you to respond to the forum 1 in my group. For group A only. For group A. Then, please wait for me. Hopefully, my meeting with Kuskop Kementerian Kesawanan online meeting, because it has been scheduled from 4 to 5. By 5 o'clock, actually, normally settle lah. Or maybe if we can finish earlier, I will update you through WhatsApp group. Then we will continue. Okay, our discussion. Clear? So I think we take a break for 4 minutes. 3:35, we will continue with the first topic, and then 3:55 we stop for a while, and from 4 to 5 you have to answer, you have to respond into forum 1 in my group, and then please wait for cue from me lah, because I think by 5 o'clock my meeting can be finish kot, selesai, then 5 o'clock we continue. Okay, sorry, because we missed 6 hours already. We missed 6 hours already. So we take a break for 5 minutes. Right?